Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use hashtags effectively on Bluesky. So using hashtag effectively on Bluesky can enhance your visibility and engagement within the platform. So here are some key strategies to maximize their impact. So if I just tab on my new post and I will just add an image and example, I will just choose an image from my desktop like this Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is the mobile phone of Samsung. So I will just write the title of Galaxy Z Fold 6, and if I just write an hashtag on it, I will just get some space and shift to hash, and I will just write Samsung Z Fold 6. I will just you can just use it like this hashtags on your clickable hashtags. So you will just allowing to a user to search for related content easily. So if I just tab on it, I will just tab to post it. So it will posting my image. So your post has been published, and you can also use in the search, which is left side. So here you will just use two hashtags like example, you will just type for using hashtag for horror. So from here you can just easily find the use the hashtag to find specific content. So you can just, instead of using hashtags, and you can just more specific one those closely relate to your content. So it's an example, you can just this will help attract a more target audience. So you can just also limit the number of hashtags. Using too many hashtags can appear spammy and may deter engagement. So aim for one or two relevant hashtags per post. These focused approach increasing the likelihood that whose users will click on them. So this is you can just use to hashtags effectively on Blue Sky. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.